hi to them, okay? Wasalimie.
Come on, baby, you know I'm the one. Kuja, kuja, nipe love. Come on, baby, najua you're the one. Come on, give me love. Come on, baby, you know I'm the one. Kuja, kuja, nipe love. Come on, baby, najua you're the one. Mr. Right.
Thank you, Dr. Step on the Nugiyam. So you've seen the ladies, of course, on a first impression. Now, I want you to take a second look at them, all of them, all right? Then from there, nataka uangalie nani anaweza kwa dream girl wako. Then once you identify, ukuja uwezo kwa masikio ya Dana. Let's go. All right. Thank you, Doctor. You are very biased, but it's fine. Huku umekuja, ukazunguka, ukaangalia. Tukwambia uangalie huko kafanya tu hivyo. Bro, unaona ni kama antena zako zinashikana huko. My tentacles. Ladies, are you ready? You need to scrutinize the guy. Lucy. Leo just kaka kizungu. Lights out. Maji.
Kama hapa.
Kanyagia hapo juu. Hapo.
Hapa kwa light.
Up. Mbele kidogo.
Mbele kidogo.
How? So ladies, it's another chance that you gotta make your decision. Let's see if you're gonna be the lady walking away with this gentleman. Hello, Mr. Right. Tonight on this episode. So in 3, 2, 1, make a decision. So, baby, who do we have?
On this side, we have Maggie, Shelley, Ruth, and Jamila, who are still on.
On this side, we have Agape. We have Irene.
Gazelle. Mbona unioni? Gazelle. I'm here. Gazelle.
Ombe raundi.
Wacha niongeleshe Melissa hapa. Melissa has been quiet. You've turned off your lights.
And I'm waiting for Lucy as well. You're coming up next. Yes, Melissa?
Mbona ume turn off your light?
Hello. You are cute.
Thank you so much.
Yeah?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. In the first place, I could just say that, okay, the guy is okay. The profile is okay. But I'm sorry. I couldn't suit you. I'll give you pressure, Pauline.
Thank you for being honest.
You have pressure.
Pressure ya nini? Okay. Amekwambia si handle pressure ama?
It's okay, like...
Oh, unatumia drugs?
No, I don't use drugs.
So, really? Amesema kwa profile, waliachana na demu wake mwingine juu, alikuwa anatumia drugs. So,
take it.
It was on a light note. Melissa?
Nah.
Melissa?
I don't use any drugs.
Pressure.
As I said, is okay. But with me, one problem with me is overthinking. Another thing is, okay, maybe you might not go by my decision and I might not be your dream girl.
Okay.
But you don't know that. If there's something about him, you know, nobody knows for sure that it's a dream girl and it's a secret. That should not have been the reason why you switch on.
Chani kaya hapa.
Maybe Melissa is dating
herself. Lucy?
Hello?
Hello.
Your profile was good. You have a source of income. I like that. But sorry to say, this is according to my opinion. The first impression gives everything, according to me. And sijapenda.
Hajapenda. Haya, Irene. Jishebedue.
Niko na swali.
Yeah, go on.
Siku ubaya.
ukisikia mtu ambaye kuambia
Ringtone anataka wewe.
Ukisikia mtu anakuambia no offense, no offense.
Ofu,
disclaimer.
Ringtone anasema kwa nini Wendy haongei?
Atamchukua tu namba yake.
What I'm
Just
saying.
wants to hear, but then she's not said anything today.
No, we're coming there, mom. Irene?
Okay, nimemobserve na maybe macho yangu imeenda place mbaya. I don't know.
Which place is this?
Macho yako imeenda place
Macho
mbaya.
imeenda wapi?
Si
Place
maybe
mbaya.
macho yako imeenda place mbaya.
Si place mbaya as per se. Okay, macho yangu imeona hapa kisigino ya mguu.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So open visigino.
What's wrong with kisigino ya mguu?
Iko na what we list.
Kisigino yako na nini?
Utamosha, you do pedicure.
Irene.
You do pedicure for him. If
So uko na shida na kisigino yake.
itanirarulia bed sheet. Ha.
Wendy,
Ofweneke.
final due to one public demand. Ngoja ya Ringtone. See, I'm fulfilling your dreams.
No, what I'm saying.
Due to one public demand. Ngoja kwanza ongea. Huyu mgeni. Why not him?
Okay, as for me,
Nataka kuje mbele.
Ngoja.
Brother atoke na bibi.
Ulisema wewe ni pastor.
Bas, hivyo. Now,
Mchungaji anataka tu kumuona hivyo. I support him.
so that you ndugu asikose kutoka na bibi.
Mchungaji umeona mwanakondoo.
Remember he's anointed.
Mchungaji ameona
Remember he's anointed.
ameona kondoo iliyo
Wanaendana vizuri sana.
Kondoo iliyo sawa.
Wanaendana.
Mpatie mic. Mbona umezima? Mpatie.
So Wendy, what do you say to this man?
Uliza ukiangalia huko mbele.
Mbele umefunga macho.
Hakuna tumefunga.
Haki kazi ni ngumu. Hii kazi ni ngumu sana.
Uliza ukiangalia huko. Wendy comes.
Hii kazi ni stress. So Wendy, ongea.
okay, as for me, I go for looks because your personality, your personality won't hold my hands in public. So, okay, you don't look nice.
Ni kiatu amekata nusu. Ebu come, Wendy, come. Bro, at least one day you'll thank me. At least ione tu ikienda. Enda. I know. Ndugu yangu najua. Najua.
Shika.
All right.
Ringtone uko sawa? Una kitu ya kuongeza?
You guys. Messing up mchungaji here.
Hapo salvation ilianguka. Mama kaleka kama Biblia ishatani imekuwa constitution. Haya. Lights out.
Sorry, I have a question for you. I have a question.
Lights out first. So we have Agape, Irene, Gazelle. We have Jamila, Ruth, Shirley, Maggie. Sashok. All right. So ladies, it's time for us to make a decision. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's back on. Gazelle, Agape, Gazelle, Agape, Jamila, Ruth, Shirley, step here. Kama uko na swali utairusha pale kwa utaituma kwa suggestion box. Jamila yaye. Lakini bro, tunaona nakwambia kweli. Hakuna mwanaume amemeki this 5 hivi. Wacha nakwambia. Lakini hapo kwa Gazelle usiko na hope sana. No, simpe mic. Gazelle, hebu leo nyamaza tu tuone. Moi, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, silence. Zamba lazima kuonesha lugha ya nyumbani ndio uelewe. Benta and Lovuno, you're still on air. Haya. Baby, what's the dream girl?
So the dream girl was Agape.
Where? Hey. Okay.
Bonnie.
Is this what you wanted as well?
He picked her. He picked her.
Yeah, he looks good, but I have a question for him.
Ask him.
You said you want to be the man of the house.
Mike.
Does this mean that a woman cannot give you her opinion?
Okay. To answer you that, what I meant by that is that, I'm the man, right? But now, when it comes to responsibilities at the house, majority of them, I'm expected to do it. But if you, on your side, if you feel like, I want to support my man with this, I want to give these ideas to him, it's okay with me. Yeah. I mean...
Hold up, baby, hold up. I have one question to you, Bonnie. Out of all these ladies that you've seen, you saw Agape. What was unique about her? Why did you pick her?
The first... Okay. sorry about that. First thing about that I saw from her is that, I wanted somebody who I can be able to take care of, somebody who can understand me, and I saw that in Agape.
From her looks?
No, I think so.
Okay.
Wow.
She was looking so amazing also, and she's pretty also,
Haya, sikilia mkono yako. Ladies and gentlemen, Dark Side, as we close up on the show, what do you think, bro, about this combination?
I love that combination, and then I think they fit each other. Considering, you see the way Agape is, she's a woman who knows what she wants, and he's a man who has come for what he wants, and they found each other. So love is a beautiful thing.
All right. Don't jazz it, say. Ringtone.
Mi siwezi advice kwa sababu mimi enyewe unaona niko 26 years old na sina dem. Okay, nevertheless kama mtumishi wa Mungu nataka tu kusema kwa advice brother kama huyo mdemu ndio umempenda yani anakuja akiwa raw material, so umjenge, na ukitaka angare akae kama Diana, uinvest hivyo, ndio ukiona Diana venye mengara ndio utaona huyo wako angare hivyo. So usi expect huyo dem atangara akue kama Diana kutoka anywhere else. So invest na atatokea kama Diana ama mwingine ule mwenye una like. Otherwise, God will bless. Love is a beautiful thing. Na love ni ya God.
Mom. Agape. Okay, what I need you to understand is he works at the salon. He deals with women all day long. You understand? So I need you to go and look at this as a profession. Just like a gynecologist. You know what he does all day long. So this guy works at this, and then he does this other part of the body. So usiende kwa stress na unajua sisi wanawake na nywele zetu tunaweza mpigia simu at the wrong time. You need to understand me. I like the way he presented himself. He believes in taking care of his lady. You are in good hands.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's about time that we come to the end of this beautiful show. I'm just happy that at least somebody got somebody, Yes. And of course, I'd like to appreciate the presence of our lovely mommy, our relationship expert, Madam Gertrude Mungai.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, yes, the king of good times, ladies and gentlemen, the one of the DJ,
And of course, to our lovely ladies right over here, thank you very much, ladies.
And of course, the one, none other than the one and only, Kenya's, East Africa's richest artist. God, I'm saying for lying. The one and only, make some noise for my brother, Ringtone!
And of course, they call me Diana Bahati. If you like Diana B, a.k.a. Mama Sira or Auntie Mado, I'm definitely going to be seeing you on the next episode.
And of course, Africa, I know you are looking for a reason to sleep now. You can sleep. We have released you. Have a good night.